Hello dear users, I am Yaroslav Popov, the author of Forex Strategy Builder Professional. I'll show you how to get started with the program. You can use Forex Strategy Builder for creating strategies and testing their performance on historical market data. We call this process backtesting. Let's start with updating the program's history data files. Forex Strategy Builder provides a data download service. Open the History Center by using this toolbar button. The History Center opens in a new tab. It comprises several tools for managing and importing data files. Go to the data download page. This service provides history data for the listed here 10 major symbols. The data files came from Duca's copy broker. First, select the symbols you want to download. When you are ready, click the download button. The program connects to our online server and downloads the data files. You can see the loaded data files in the output log. Now we have to set the symbols we are going to use for our strategy. Let's open the control panel from this toolbar button. It also opens in a separate tab. Now go to the symbols page. This page contains all symbols parameters. They must correspond to the parameters of your broker. The most important of them are the lot size, the spread, and the long and short swap rates. The lot size determines the trading amount. The spread is the difference between the ask and the bid market prices. The swap rates represent the interest we pay or receive when we are keeping a position overnight. Now is the time to set our virtual account. Staying in the control panel, just click on the account page. You can set the account currency here. The Forex Strategy Builder backtester works with Euro and USD accounts. Here is the initial account. Set it to correspond to your demo or live account. You can also change the leverage if it differs from the one your broker uses. You are ready with the basic settings. Open a new strategy. Every strategy opens in a new tab. There are several pages here. You are using these 3 pages for building a strategy. The second group shows various charts and statistics. The final group of tools serve for additional analysis and various performance tests. We are now in the editor page. We can create a forex strategy here by setting the strategy properties and placing technical indicators. However, the first thing we do is selecting the market we are going to use. When we change the symbol or the data period, the program loads the corresponding files automatically. We see the input parameters in the table and the historical prices on the indicator chart below. The central part of the screen contains the strategy properties and the strategy indicators. Now, click on the Properties tile for opening the Strategy Properties Options panel. You see various parameters here. The amount of a new position, the maximum lots a strategy is allowed to open, adding rules and adding amount, reducing rules and amount, position protections, stop loss, take profit, break even, martingale. Let's set entry amount of 0.1 lots. Now press Accept to confirm the new settings. A strategy consists of technical indicators arranged in slots. There are 4 types of slots. The first slot is the opening point of the position. It sets where a strategy enters the market. Click on the slot to open the Indicator Options panel. All indicators you see here are suitable for the active slot. Select the fractal indicator. Every indicator in the program has a set of predefined rules for application. Leave the default option selected, enter long at a fractal. Now accept the changes. Congratulations! You have created your first strategy. The program is so fast that it already calculated the account statistics and the balance chart. They are not perfect now, but it is just the beginning. You can make hundreds of strategies without programming and without losing your valuable time for waiting a calculation to complete. Creating strategies with the program is a real fun. However, I want to show you even more. Now, go to the Generator page. Click the Generate button below. What you see now is not a magic. This is the fastest backtesting software in the world. The program creates strategies automatically. You can use the Generator tool as many times as you want. You can generate strategies for trading or inspiration. When you are happy with the generated result, you can continue with the Optimizer tool. It does what it says, optimizes the strategy parameters in order to find a higher profit. The program gives you all the information you need for analyzing and evaluating a strategy. Strategy overview, charts, journal. In addition, it provides several advanced power tools: interpolation method comparator, multi-markets, and Monte Carlo. This is a very short overview of the program. You can find more information for the various tools and the options in the user guide. There are also many helpful videos and tutorials. Have a great time with Forex Strategy Builder. Sincerely, Miroslav Popov.